Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start Max NCERT chapter number 10, Play with Patterns.
Page number 116, More Secret Messages. Shablu and Jagu are playing a game. So both Shablu and Jagu are playing games. They are writing some secret messages, but Kauli is not able to understand them. So this girl Kauli can't able to understand what they are what they are in the message. So Jagu explained the rule. Jagu, you see we have changed each letter by its next letter. So they have changed the letter. If they want to write any letter, so they will write instead of the next letter. So that is we write G in place of F. So in place of F they will write G, O in the place of N. So S become Y, E S become, so Y after they will write Z, and E after they will write F, and S in place of S they will write T. So it will become ZFT. Now Kauli. Oh, now I understand. Kauli, see what I have written. Now she also writing a message. XF, BSF, GS, JFO, ET. So what was Kauli's secret message? So that we have to find. So first we will arrange according to the next letter. For A we will write B. For B we will write C. For C we will write D. For D we will write E. For E we will write F. For F we will write G. For G we will write H. For H we will write I. For I we will write J. For J we will write K. For K we will write L. For L we will write M. For M we will write N. For N we will write O. For O we will write P. For P we will write Q. For Q we will write R. For R we will write S. For S we will write T. For T we will write U. For U we will write V. For V we will write W. For W we will write X. For X we will write Y. For Y we will write Z. Now for Z we will write A. Okay. So therefore secret message written by Kauli. She has written X F B S F G S J F O E T. So will be, so for X we will write W. So first we will write W. For F we will write E. Now for B we will write A. Now for S we will write R. Now for F we will write E. Now for G we will write H. For S we will write R. Now for J we will write I. Now for F we will write E. Now for O we will write N. Now for E we will write D. Now for T we will write S. Okay, so XF means WE means V. VSF means ARER. Then GSJFOET means friends. We are friends. So what she has written in secret message? We are friends. Now next question. What did Shablu and Jagu write? So what they are written? So Shablu's secret messages in the letter what she has written? IFMMP, IPXBSF, ZPV. And in other letter she has written XJMM, ZPV, QMBZ, XJUINF. So therefore first message IFMMP means I for, in place of I we will write H. Then for F we will write E. Now for M we will write L. Now next also M we will write L, and for P we will write O. So IFMMP means LO. Now IPX. So for I we will write H. For P we will write O. Now for X we will write W. So that means IPX means how, HOW. Now BSF. B in place of B we will write A. Now for S we will write R. Now for F we will write E means R, ARER. Now ZPV. Now for Z we will write Y. Now for P we will write O. Now for V we will write U means ZPV means U. So hello, how are you? Now for next letter X, J, double M. So X, in place of X we will write W. Now for J we will write I. Now for M we will write L. For now next time also we will write L. So will. Now ZPV, for place of Z we will write Y. Now for P we will write O. Now for V we will write U, means U. For now QMBZ. So for in place of Q we will write P. Now for M we will write L. Now for B we will write A. Now for Z we will write Y. So QMBZ means play. Now XJUI. X means, in place of X we will write W. Now for J we will write I. For U we will write T. Now for I we will write H. So means with. Now NF means, in place of N we will write M, and for F we will write E. So me. So will you play with me? So this is the secret message of Shablu. Now secret message of Jagus. Jagu's secret message is what he has written: GJOF UIBOL ZPB. So now GJOF means, G, in place of G we will write F, and for in place of J we will write I, in place of O we will write N, and in place of F we will write E, means GJOF means find. So UIBOL, so in place of U we will write T, in place of I we will write H, in place of B we will write A, in place of O we will write N, in place of L we will write K. So UIBOL means thank, and ZPV means, so in place of Z we will write Y, in place of P we will write O, in place of V we will write U, means you. Fine, thank you. Now ZFT means, so Z, in place of Z we will write Y, in place of F we will write E, and in place of T we will write S. So YES, yes. So this will become fine, thank you, yes. Now same page 116. Now next question, use the same rule to write meet me on the moon. Now this we have to write in a secret message. So the secret message for meet me on the moon will become, for M we will write N. Now for E, next letter we will write. For E we will write F. For again E we will write F. Now for T we will write U. So NFFU. Now for me, for M we will write N, and for E we will write F. So for me we will write NF, on, ON. So for O we will write P, and for N we will write O, means PO. Then TH, the. For T we will write U, and for H we will write I, and for E we will write F. So for the we will write UIF. Now moon, M. For M we will write N, and for O we will write P, again P, then N, and for we will write O. So the secret message will be NFFU, NFPO, UIF, and PPO. Now next question, make different rules and ask your friends to crack the secret message. So now we have to make a new rule. So new rule, write A at the place of C. So now again we will move one letter forward. So A at the place of C and B at the place of D. So first we have written A in the place of B. Now we will write A in the place of C and B at the place of D, and so on. Following this rule, the new key will be, so the like this way it will make. So first A at the place of C. So instead of C we will write A, and instead of D we will write B, instead of E we will write C. This way it will move on. So instead of Z we will write X, and instead of A we will write Y, and instead of B we will write Z. So write the I am going to play. Using this new rule, this message will become, now I am going to play. So using this rule we have to write in a secret message. For I we will write G. Okay, for M we will write A. For A we will write Y, and for M we will write K, means YK. Now going. For G we will write E. For O we will write M. For I we will write G. Now for N we will write L, and for G we will write E. So E, M, G, L, E. Now 2. For 2 we will write, for T we will write R. Now for O we will write M. Now for play, for P we will write N. Now for L we will write G. Sorry, for L we will write, L we will write J. Now for A we will write Y. And for Y we will write W. So N, J, Y, W. Now page number 117, upside down. Anisha is playing. She is showing her friend that she can stand on her head. Okay, Anisha, she is playing. She is showing her friend that she can stand in a opposite direction also. Her head is down and leg should be up. Now Anisha is playing with this card. Draw what it will look like when upside down. When we will move this card, how it will look? This card will look like as follows when keep upside down. So it will look 7 will come upside and this all design will come in a opposite direction. Now floor patterns. Have you ever seen a floor with tiles of these shapes? So you have seen these types of tiles floor patterns? No, I have never seen these shapes of tiles on the floor. These designs are made by covering the floor completely with tiles that fit into each other without any gaps. So you can see here how the floor pattern is made without leaving any gap. Page number 118. Now you cover this floor with this tile. So your floor is given, we have to cover the same design in the full floor. So student, you have to draw like this way design in full floor and you have to color it one yellow and one purple. Like this way you have to do full floor. Can you make such a floor design with a tile like a circle? Yes. So try with this. Now B, try with this green tile without leaving a gap. Could you do it? Discuss with your friends. So this way you have to complete this floor with the green circle one by one. So we cannot make a design without leaving a gap by using circle tile. Now same page C, complete this tiling pattern. Now here we have to complete this tiling pattern. Student, you have to do this in your book like this way and you have to do the color. Same pattern you have to repeat. Now page number 119. D. Ramaya has made a wall with his blocks. Can you complete this for him? So we have to complete this block for him. So according to him, we have to do first he used the simple plain block with cream color. Then he have done the blue block with line. Then dot block with purple. Then again he repeated the cream, then blue, then purple. So again you have to make it here cream, blue, purple, then again cream. So like this you have to complete the block according to colors. Now E. Renu began to paint this wall. Now you help her to complete it. Now she started to paint the wall and we have to complete this. So first color is green, then yellow, red, then green, yellow, then yellow, red, then green, yellow, red. So this way you have to complete the wall. Okay students, I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.